Welcome to the top 5 affiliate program networks in the world. These are affiliate networks that work with the top brands in the world. Some brands are small businesses and some brands are multi-billion-dollar, multinational corporations. Whether you're an affiliate looking for programs to promote or an online business looking to advertise your products and services, you should definitely work with these top 5 affiliate networks. Alright, let's get started. CJ.com, otherwise known as Commission Junction. This is a billion-plus-dollar affiliate network. Some of the world's top brands are on this network. It is one of the oldest affiliate networks in the world. They only work with quality top brands. So as an affiliate, we highly recommend you sign up. It is free to join for affiliates. This network has everything from pay-per-leads, pay-per-sale, mobile ads, and much more. There are approximately 2,700 brands at this network. Impact.com, also known as Impact Radius. This affiliate network is on par with Commission Junction in my opinion. They have a huge amount of top brands in its network, and the affiliate dashboard is much simpler as well. This network offers all types of payouts from pay-per-lead to pay-per-sale, plus mobile too. There are about 2,800 brands at this network. Awin.com. Awin emerged in 2017 when consolidating Xanox and affiliate window operations. Both of these networks originally began around the year 2000. In 2017, Awin also acquired ShareASale, one of the top affiliate networks in North America at the time. Today, Awin boasts possibly the biggest affiliate network in the world when it comes to the amount of brands at this network, which totals over 20,000 brands working on this network. Expect a much wider international audience on this affiliate network. ShareASale.com. They are also a very established and one of the oldest affiliate networks in the world. Even though ShareASale was bought out by Awin, they are maintained as a separate affiliate network. They also work with top brands, but not as many big brands when compared with Commission Junction or Impact Radius. You will find a lot more less-known brands on ShareASale, but nevertheless it is a top affiliate network. There are about 4,500 brands on ShareASale. RakutenAdvertising.com. They were formerly known as Linkshare. This is also a very old and established top affiliate network, working with some of the world's biggest brands. They used to be a lot bigger back in Linkshare days, but today it is still a very active and big legit network to work with. There are roughly 1,000 brands at this network. Our number one affiliate network choice is Impact.com. Since they offer many of the world's top brands in its network, plus has a super easy user interface with a simple-to-use custom affiliate link builder. I absolutely love them. The rest are all very good affiliate networks, and I recommend signing up to all of them to cover all of your niches. You will basically never run out of affiliate programs to promote. I hope this video helps. Please be sure to give this video a like, share, and subscribe to How to Webmaster for more awesome content for webmasters and internet marketers. Thanks so much for viewing, and until next time, happy marketing.